When it comes to exploring gluten-free options in South Indian cuisine, creating a dosa using bajra, pearl millet, opens up a world of nutritious possibilities. Yet many overlook this hearty grain. But here's where it gets interesting. Swapping traditional rice-based batter for bajra flour not only makes the dish suitable for gluten-sensitive eaters, but also introduces a richer fiber and protein profile into your meal. Curious about how to craft this millet-rich variation? Let's walk through the process step by step. Bajra, or pearl millet, is a nutrient-dense ingredient packed with fiber and protein, making it an excellent addition to your diet. Incorporating it into your dosa recipe is straightforward and offers a vibrant twist on the classic South Indian staple. Ingredients: 1.5 cups bajra flour, pearl millet flour, 4 cups water, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 green chilies, chopped, 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves, chopped, curry leaves as much as you like, salt to taste, oil for cooking. Step-by-step preparation. Begin by creating a smooth batter. Combine the bajra flour with water, mixing thoroughly until you achieve a consistent, lump-free mixture. Add the finely chopped onion, coriander, green chilies, curry leaves, and a pinch of salt to the batter. Stir everything together well to distribute the ingredients evenly. Let the batter rest for a few minutes. This helps the flavors meld and the batter to thicken slightly. Heat a skillet or non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a little oil and pour a spoonful of the batter. Spread it gently if needed, and cook until the edges become crispy and golden. Serve your hot Bajra dosa with a side of sambar or your favorite chutney for a wholesome, millet-focused meal. This millet-based dosa isn't just a gluten-free alternative. It's a delicious way to diversify your diet with minimal effort. And here's a thought-provoking point. Should more traditional recipes be adapted with ancient grains like bajra for health benefits? Or do these modifications risk losing the authentic essence of the dishes? Share your opinions and experiences below. Are you ready to embrace millet in your cooking?